on these because I've discovered that having the tension at just a small point like this, of course, is pulling the skirt out from the waistband. It was worse on the other side. I've already done a repair there. And so I'm going to be, which is just as well because the straps were a little long, so a little loose, so I'd be taking this off and just using the strap and secure it in about I've done about 3 rows on the opposite side here to distribute the weight a little more. Let's see, we'll see how that does. Makes it a little more secure, plus fits a little more, straps fit a little more snugly. I liked the idea of having the button because then it just made them more versatile. I could cross the straps if I wanted to, but I like to wear them straight, so it's not really needed. And I'll just use a back stitch, a few rows. And sit up there, Irish. Maybe you can sit up there. Okay, come sit up here then. Come on. Where did my scissors go? Uh-oh. Okay, come on. I don't know where I put them. It's not funny. Okay, watch out, please. What did I do with my scissors? Strange. Irish, down. Come on over here. Okay, sit there. Good girl. Good, sit there. You could help, but you just have to stay clear of the camera and the needle and the thread. Okay. Whoops. Just this here. Put up a few stitches that I didn't need to, I think. Maybe it'll be okay. Irish, come back. Sit. Stay. Stay there. Where did I find my scissors? I was looking for them. Were they in my hand? Oh my gosh. It's been quite a week. Stay. Stay back. Irish, stay back. Watch your ears. Come on, stay back. Irish, go and sit. Sit. It's strange if I was looking for my scissors and yet here I am, I just start cutting. No. Gosh. Hey. Yeah. Okay, stay back, you. Go and sit. Get over here. Sit down. Okay, stay there. I was busy working. Okay, sit still. What a little purr bucket, aren't you? Yeah. Come on. There. Okay, I can save that for something else. Now, watch out, I want to see where's my needle and thread here. Okay, I played that footage back and I see I was looking for my scissors while I was holding on to them. Must be the sewist's equivalent of looking for your glasses when they're on your head, or you're wearing them, etc. Okay, let's see here. Oh, I didn't tie it. I didn't tie it yet. I did this the other night on the other side. But I didn't have time to finish this side, so I figured I would film it. An opportunity here. Quick fix. Done. Okay, so I was almost done. Now I'm done. Fake buttons. What's happening to me? But they're quite consistent with the 1910s and into the 20s even, I think, so that might explain it.